is the strange attractor. I am dealing with art, philosophy and science, respectively chaos theory. What you just saw was the title picture of the Fractal Art Calendar 2023. This one is available in our Etsy shop, and with the coupon code I Love Chaos you get a 10% rebate. Who doesn't want to have a fractal calendar? Who doesn't want to be inspired by fractal art? Who doesn't want to look at a nice picture when eating dinner? Who doesn't want to have images on the wall to impress friends with? Hey, what have you there on the wall? This intriguing image. Is that a fractal? Wow, man. Yes, this all can happen to you when you have a fractal calendar on your wall. When you decide to get one, you will get images like this one. And this image by Bernd Kronmüller is called Discombobulated Mondrian. It is made with structure zinc and is basically a hybrid manga sponge. Since we want to compare each of the images in the current calendar with the images from last year's calendar, where we introduce the diversity of fractal art, let me compare this image by Bernd Kronmüller to the image made by Joseph Presley in last year's calendar. This image from last year's calendar has been made using Xenodream. And having fractals constructible is something that really helps us. And let me remind you that the Egyptian National Museum will feature a Sierpinski triangle layout. So constructing fractals with whatever means possible is the way to go. Enjoy the calendar! What are you waiting for? Don't tell me you are just waiting for the animation to kick in. Get a calendar now! Hurry! The year is nearly over.